were taking bodies for burial. M23 rebels overran the city last week. Aid agencies say more than 900 people were killed in just a few days. The morgue in Goma is full. Bodies are lying everywhere and decomposing. Mama Chiza has been searching for her son's remains. She can't find him underneath the hundreds of bodies.
My son was in the house. We were bombed. My neighbor's child was injured, so my son offered to take the child to the hospital, but a soldier shot them. He stole their motorbike. People took their bodies to the morgue.
The guns are now silent in the city. Government forces left their vehicles and other military hardware as they fled. Rights groups are is a disaster.
We don't know what to say. We can't live like this. It hurts. We should not be fighting. The leaders have to sit, talk, and get a solution. We don't need these deaths.
Meanwhile, most of the aid workers, including UN personnel, have been evacuated from Goma. And in the country's capital, Kinshasa, the US has asked its citizens to leave immediately. Last week, hundreds of protesters attacked several embassies, accusing the international community of not doing enough to help end the conflict. The situation is getting more uncertain by the day. Catherine Saw.